Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Filter Circuit. Me, Ghulam Morteza with you. ID 241333028. In this slide, we can see low pass filter. A low pass filter is a type of electronic filter that allows frequency below a certain cutoff frequency. Here we can see the circuit of low pass filter. The transfer function of low pass filter 1 by 1 plus j omega RC. When omega not equal to 0, the transfer function is equal to 1. When the omega equal to infinity, the transfer function is equal to 0. Here we can see the diagram of low pass filter. In next slide, we can see high pass filter. A high pass filter allows high frequency to pass through while attenuating low frequency. Here we can see high pass filter circuit. Transfer function of high pass filter is j omega RC by 1 plus j omega RC. When the omega equal to 0, the transfer function of high pass filter is equal to 0. When the omega equal to infinity, the transfer function is equal to 1. Here we can see the graph of high pass filter. Next slide we can see band pass filter. A band pass filter allows a specific band of frequency to pass through while attenuating frequency outside that the band. Here we can see the circuit of band pass filter. The transfer function of band pass filter is j omega RC by 1 plus j omega RC minus omega square LC. When the omega equal to 0, the transfer function is equal to 0. When the omega equal to infinity, the transfer function is equal to 0. Here we can see the graph of band pass filter. In next slide we can see the band stop filter. A band stop filter attenuates a specific band of frequency while allowing through the frequency to pass through. A simple circuit consists of two capacitor and a resistor. Here is a circuit of band stop filter. The transfer function of band stop filter equal to 1 minus omega square LC by 1 plus j omega RC minus omega square LC. When the omega equal to 0, the transfer function is equal to 1. When the omega equal to infinity, the transfer function is equal to 1. Here we can see the graph of band stop filter. In next slide we can see the comparing filter response. Low pass filter allows low frequency and attenuates high frequency. High pass filter allows high frequency and attenuates low frequency. Band pass filter allows a specific band of frequency and attenuates other frequency. Band stop filter attenuates a specific band of frequency and allows other frequency. In next slide we can see the practical application of filter circuit. The application of filter circuit is audio system, communication system and medical device. Thank you. We appreciate your time and consideration. Assalamu alaikum.